2 to the power of 0 is equal to 0, right? 0 minus 3 to the power of 1 equals 1, right? 1 times 4 plus 5. Now 0 minus 1 equals minus 1 times 4 plus 5, right? Now minus 1 and times 4 equals minus 4 and plus 5, and minus plus plus, so 9. But this is wrong. Why? Because 2 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 3 to the power of 1 is not equal to 1, right? And multiplication must be done before subtraction and addition, but after exponent. So first of all exponent, then multiplication, right? So 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? So 1 minus 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3, not 1, right? 3 times 4 minus 5. No, multiply first. So 1 minus 3 times 4 equals 12 minus 5. No, subtraction left to right. So 1 minus 12 equals minus 1, keep the negative sign, and minus 5. No, minus 11 minus 5 equals